Hi! Mabuhay! Good day, estudiantes! And welcome to our physical geography class. Are you ready for our next journey? Alright! Buckle up because today, you are not just students, you are travelers of knowledge, setting foot on a thrilling journey beneath our very planet. As explorers of the Earth, our destination lies deep within, where heat, fire, and power shape our world. And I am your teacher Alex, your guide for today's expedition. So tighten your backpacks of curiosity. Join me and let's uncover the fiery secrets of the Earth, the mysterious and magnificent volcanoes. But let me ask you, young explorers, have you seen any volcanoes before? And identify their characteristics? Can you identify what kind of volcano is this? Or how about this? So what are you waiting for? Get your maps, notebook, and binoculars as we navigate to our new discussion. Now, imagine standing at the foot of a volcano, the ground trembling, the air thick with smoke, and the sky painted with ash. Nakakamangha, di ba? Volcanoes are more than just mountains. They are gateways to the Earth's fiery heart, creators of islands, builders of continents, and sculptors of landscapes. But here's the twist. What looks destructive is also creative. Each eruption, each flow of lava tells the story of how our world renewed itself. Volcanoes also remind us of how powerful and unpredictable our planet can be. In just moments, they can reshape entire regions, remind us of our smallness compared to the vast forces of nature. Yet, despite the danger, humans have learned to live alongside these fiery giants, studying them, respecting them, and even finding ways to harness their energy. They show us that even the fiercest forces of nature have purpose. Just like in life, when everything seems to erupt into chaos, there's always a chance to rebuild, to grow stronger, and to begin again. So here's our main objectives for today's lesson. Before we go deeper, let's answer the question first. What exactly is a volcano? Volcanoes are fascinating geological features that are formed when molten rock, ash, and gas escape from the Earth's surface. They can be found all around the world and come in many different shapes and sizes. Some volcanoes are active and erupt frequently, while others are dormant or extinct and haven't erupted in many years or even thousands of years. So come on, young explorers, let's identify what are the parts of a volcano. The first part is the crater. This is a bowl-shaped depression at the top of the volcano that forms when the summit collapses after an eruption. The second is the magma chamber. This is a large underground cavity or reservoir where molten rock or the magma is stored before it erupts. The third part is the conduit. This is a long, narrow channel that connects the magma chamber to the surface of the volcano. Magma rises through the conduit and erupts. The last part is the fumarole. This is a vent on the surface of the volcano that emits steams, gas, and other materials. Fumaroles are found near the summit. Oops! Are you still there, young explorers? So now, you already know what are the parts of a volcano. Good job! So now, the next part is the types of volcanoes. Just like us, volcanoes come in different forms and temperaments. These are shield volcano, stratovolcano, cinder cones, and lava domes. So let's discover their 4 fiery personalities. The first type is the shield volcanoes. These volcanoes have a broad, gently sloping cone shape, similar to a warrior's shield that laid on the ground. They are formed by numerous lava flows that spread out in all directions from a central vent. These volcanoes typically have a non-explosive eruptions and produce steam, running lava that flows for long distances. Example of this volcano is the Mauna Loa volcano, located in Hawaii. The second one is the stratovolcanoes. These are tall, steep-sided volcanoes with a classic cone-shaped appearance. They are formed by alternating layers of lava, ash, and other volcanic debris. These type of volcanoes can have explosive or non-explosive eruptions and are known for their powerful explosions and pyroclastic flows. Example of these is the Mayon volcano from Philippines. The third type is the cinder cones. These are small, step-sided volcanoes made up of loose, pyroclastic materials such as ash, cinders, and volcanic bombs. They are usually formed by explosive eruptions that eject the material from a single vent, piling it up around the vent. Example of this is the Paracutin volcano from Mexico. The last but not the least, the lava dome. It is a mound-shaped volcanic feature formed from the slow extrusion of viscous lava that is too thick to flow far from the vent. These domes can be hemispherical or irregularly shaped and are composed of viscous, gas-poor magma such as andesite, dacite, or rhyolite. Example of these is the Mount St. Helens from Washington State, USA. So now that you've already discovered the types of volcanoes and how each behaves, let's pause for a moment and think, what do these eruptions mean for us? How do they affect lives, communities, and even the way we see our planet? Let's explore together the powerful impacts of volcanoes, both the destruction they bring and the life they help create. When volcanoes erupt, these are the most immediate and devastating effects. The first impact is their property damage. Volcanic eruptions can cause significant property damage, particularly if they produce lava flows, pyroclastic flows, or lahars. These can destroy buildings, infrastructures, and agricultural land. The second negative impact is the water pollution. Volcanic eruptions can also release ash and other materials into bodies of water, which can kill fish and other aquatic life and contaminate drinking water supplies. But here's the amazing part. After all the destruction and chaos, nature always finds a way to heal. These are the amazing impacts of volcanoes. The first one is the soil fertility. Volcanic ash is rich in minerals and can provide nutrient-rich soil for plant growth. For example, the volcanic soils have been known to produce highly productive agricultural land. It could also produce an energy because volcanic activity can produce geothermal energy, which can be harnessed for electricity, generation, and heating. This can provide a clean and sustainable source of energy. And after identifying those young explorers, we realize that nature always finds balance. Where destruction ends, creation begins. And so, young explorers, as we end our journey through the very heart of the earth, we see that volcanoes are more than just mountains of fire. They can bring destruction, damaging homes, and polluting waters. But yet, they also give life, creating fertile soil, and even powering our communities. Kaya nga, volcanoes teach us an important lesson. Even the most powerful forces of nature have a purpose. They remind us to respect, understand, and learn from the earth. So the next time you see a volcano, remember, behind every eruption lies a story of destruction, creation, and renewal. And that, young explorers, is the true magic of our planet. So young explorers, that's the story of volcanoes. Powerful, fierce, but also full of life and lessons for us. I hope today's adventure sparked your curiosity and help you see how nature can both challenge and nurture us. Maraming salamat sa inyong pagkikinig at pagtuto. Keep exploring, keep asking questions, and remember, the earth is full of wonders waiting to be discovered. See you next time! Bye-bye!